Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gabby of Truly Gab, and thank you so much for watching and tuning in to yet another video. If you are new here, welcome girlfriend, welcome girlfriend, welcome girlfriend, welcome girlfriend, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video and spread the word to your friends as well. You're gonna love it here. Also make sure you comment so I can get to know you and you can also get to know me. Today's video though, however, is a clothing haul. I know going into 2019, I told myself I was not gonna shop like I used to in 2018. However, these 50% off sales, 60% off sales, 70% off sales, your girl has to take advantage of it. So that's what I did. So this video is a haul by Deb's Shop. So I went on their site when they had like a 50% off sale and I ordered some good, great, awesome items, and I'm so glad to share them with you. If you like this hair that I'm rocking in this video, definitely make sure you check out the video that I'm gonna ping up below or the description box, because this hair is like amazing. I call it my Lion King hair because y'all know the Lion King coming out this summer, so I'm definitely gonna rock this hair and watch it. But I absolutely love the versatility of this hair and the easiness of it as well. But anyway, this video is not about that. So if you want to see my haul, definitely make sure you stay tuned. Before we get started though, let me ask you guys a question out there. Make sure you leave the answer below because my girlfriend just texted me a really good question and I want to ask you guys. It says, you are offered $1 million to rap an entire song without any mistakes, word for word. Which song would you choose? So let me tell y'all what my song is. I know this video is not about that, but my song would be Panda by Designer, because nobody knows what he's singing anyway, and I can just scream out panda, panda, and brat, and then that'd be the whole song. So I'm getting away with that one. But definitely leave below which song you can rap an entire song of word for word for $1 million. I am so interested to see what you guys say. So stay tuned for this fashion haul though. All right guys, and another thing I wanted to add to you, this video is going to be like your jumpsuits, your one-piece items or your sets. So your jumpsuits, your sets, and your dresses, and I have a couple shirts too, but I am so pleased again with everything that I got from Deb Shop. So let's get started with this. So what I first want to start off with are these stripe pants, and they also come with the matching stripe top. Definitely know that there is a try on with all of these items, but these pants and this top is so comfortable. 2019, your girl is going to be full of colors, as you can tell by the hair, and you will also see by my clothes as well. I'm not sure who said that girls can't wear stripes, but they lied. So I definitely got a matching set in this beautiful soft cotton stripe set. It is really good quality and it stretches. I actually got my set in a 1X. The top is a 1X and then the bottoms is a 2X because your girl got a little something going on in the back because I have a big butt. So I did get the bottoms in a 2X and I got the top in a 1X. I probably could have got the top in a 0X if they had that, or extra large, but regardless, these fit wonderful. And for the winter time, I am gonna just pair this with a duster and rock this out, just a long pretty duster to rock with it, and put on some heels, and I am good to go that way. And I will leave the links to all of these items below if they still have these items, but it was very affordable. Like I said, it was 50% off this set, so this is definitely a keeper. The next item that I'm gonna move on to is this beautiful floral, what is it called? A jumpsuit. Oh God, a beautiful floral jumpsuit. And this is so pretty. It is very comfortable and it is stretchy. So you don't have to wear it off the shoulders like I did, because it is an off the shoulder jumpsuit. You can actually put it on your shoulders as well. What I will tell you, I don't think I showed this in the video, is that at the end, at the the bottom part at your leg, there is a split. It's nothing dramatic, guys. Like, seriously, it's just right here at the bottom of it. So don't think you're gonna have a split going up your thigh. You're not. It's going up your calf. That's about it. But this is very, very pretty. So when I first saw it, I was like, oh, I'm not gonna like this after I got it. And I was like, oh, I'm just gonna give this to my mom. But no, after trying it on, I am keeping this. It is so comfortable. Everyday wear too. Something you can wear to work, something you can wear to church, pair some sandals with it in the summertime, or put you some heels on with it, and you're good to go. Definitely keeping this. I'm actually keeping everything. Y'all, I am so impressed with everything that I got from Deb Shop. So I'm good. You can tell by my shirt, love, L-O-V-E. Like, I just love everything. All right, and so the next thing I got moving along is, again, a stripe item. It is a striped dress. And it is beautiful. At first, honestly, I thought this was going to be way too big. And this is another piece that I was like, I'm going to give to my mom. Actually, a couple of these pieces I said I was going to give to my mom until I tried them on. And I was like, oh no. I am keeping these and I'm gonna rock them to either work or a good date night or just brunch or whatever. But this striped dress is very, very pretty. It is a little on the thin side, but it's not see-through. So it is breathable material. You do have the buttons at your cufflinks, so you can unbutton those and roll them up if you want to, roll your sleeves up, or you can leave as is. I plan on leaving as is and wear this to work with a blazer. For days we have to dress like business casual or business attire. So this is going to be so pretty. I actually was worried about this dress at first, but it is very, very pretty. Do not be afraid of stripes. I don't know who said, I've seen a couple videos or a couple blogs that may suggest that thick girls shouldn't wear stripes. Maybe it's the type of stripes that you wear, whether it's horizontal or vertical. If it fits you, wear it, flaunt it. Like, don't try to give in to the trends. Like, just wear what makes you feel comfortable. Me per se, I rock what's on sale, what I can afford, and what looks good. Next item is a jumper as well. So it's a jumpsuit. So when I show you this, hold on, let me get it right. It's so big. Like, you're gonna be like, there's no way you got in this. Boom, dun 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 dun. You see how massive and big this is? Like, and it just keeps going. It just keeps getting wider. But honey, this is amazing. And this is another piece that I said I was going to give to my mom, but I regret thinking that because it is amazing. I actually got it. This is a 1X, but it just looks so wide. But it is so pretty on. It is so pretty on. I definitely just gonna put on some boots or some heels with this and rock this. It is a soft material. It's not too thick where you're gonna be sweating in it, and it's very loose. I could have probably downsized a couple of sizes, but I actually like the looseness of it and how it feels, just because, you know, a lot of times you don't want a lot of things just hugging you, especially during the time of the month, you know what I mean? So this right here is something that I can just throw on, be comfortable, and look cute and stylish at the same time. But if you're like me and you've seen it and you're like, this is so wide, this is not gonna work, it works. Take a chance, it works. At 50% off, you can make anything, just about anything work. So take a chance with it. And again, if they have any more of these items, I will certainly link them down below. All right, guys, moving along, we are almost done. So the last two items that I have will be shirts. So the first thing that I have is just this beautiful floral crop top shirt. It does come laced in the front, so you can expose a lot of cleavage in the front. But if you're like me and you don't really have that much going on in the breast area and more conservative-ish like me, I did just leave it closed. I tied it up as tight as it would go and rocked it that way. But it is a crop top. And what I will say is that it does conform to your body because it does have elastic bands at your wrist and at your waist as well. So this is very, very pretty and something that you know, just put on some jeans and some boots and you can rock it and go out. Or if you want to be a little bit more fancier, put on you a nice little skirt and some heels, and there you go. You have a really nice like date night shirt or whatever type of shirt you want to make it. Definitely rocking that as well. And then my last thing that I got, I know in the try on, it looks like I don't have on pants because I don't. My mom is gonna be like, what is this? But this is actually a bodysuit. So I just wanted you guys to see how the bodysuit was. The full effect of the bodysuit. Of course, you wear pants over this. Like pants, shorts, leggings, wear something over this. Do not try to go out in these streets with just a bodysuit on. Man, no. But this is just so beautiful. It is cut a little bit low at the chest area, but again, if you're like me, you don't have much there, just, you know, pull it close. You'll be all right. Put a safety pin there. You will be all right, but it is a comfortable material and it stretches as well. So you don't have to worry about if you can fit it or not. It stretches. And I got this in a 1X and it was like really good and really cute material. All right guys, well that is it. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Definitely leave down below which item was your favorite, especially with the try on, because one thing in 2019 me and my husband is trying to do is go on a date every single week. We're newlyweds. If you don't know our story, I will leave our proposal up top somewhere so you can see that. But we're trying to go on a date every weekend. So definitely leave it down below. Which one is your favorite and which one I should rock? Also, the $1 million question, which song could you rap all the way through, no mistakes? Word for word. Definitely make sure you leave that below too. I can't wait to read those. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I do have a new Instagram page. So please go to that. It will be Truly Gab. And again, that is on Instagram. So definitely make sure you rock with your girl there. And then definitely just make sure you comment, subscribe, and just share this video. I'm so glad you guys rocked with me through the whole video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.